Hey, all you crafty people. Oh, not a good hair time. I just have a little kind of, it's an Etsy shop share, but this is a We Are Memories Keeper. It's the old one. We Are Memories Keeper, and it was called Trim and Score. Well, they made a new one. This is my favorite one for going out and working in the, the living room with my husband. I can score on this. I can cut with this. But, they made a new one. And I tried, probably for the last 6 months, on and off, to get a new cutter blade, because this one is just absolutely just kind of ripping through the paper. I've even tried taking my nail file and sharpening it and cutting it through aluminum foil, and because I really like being able to use this thing, because it opens up and you lock these. Okay, put them down underneath there, and it makes for a fairly nice surface, and you really don't lose. You've got your 1/2 inch groove line and then your 5/8 groove line, so you don't really lose anything. And when you want to score, this is open. When you want to cut, it's down when you want to score, and it's flipped over like this when you want to cut. Well, some of the things that people weren't really crazy about this was the fact that, first, that you had to flip this back and forth. That was kind of a pain for people. And that when you were cutting, that, you had this, why didn't they put like some lines on here for measurements after the cut, so you could cut 1-inch pieces of paper, just by looking here. So I remember hearing different people saying things like that, and the way that they have it where it, with this, okay, it still has some play in the center. So, but other than that, to me, it was just, it's a really good cutter. Well, so I decided, since I couldn't get anything for this, and I have other cutters, so it was really kind of a tough thing for me to do, but I did it. I broke down and got a new one. Because I just really like being able to have everything all in one. You're scoring, so this one, so I'm going to save that for chipboard. I've got 2 chipboard cutters now. But what are you going to do? So this is the We Are Memories Keepers Crafters Essentials Trim and Scoreboard. Now, I've taken it out, but they have made definite improvements to it. Let me put all this away now. I can throw that all out. They have made definite improvements to it. So first thing that I noticed right off the bat was that there's extended surface past the cutter. Okay, so that's the first thing I noticed right off the bat. That's awesome. The numbering is much brighter, and and therefore it's much easier to see. Plus, you have centimeters. You have centimeters this way, and you have the inches on the blue cutting plastic doodad thingy here. They have changed the cutter blade itself. The cutter blade used to be something that ran in between two pieces of open plastic. Well, now this is one solid piece of plastic, and the cutter runs off the edge, and this covers almost the whole piece of plastic, so that it's much more secure and much less give and play in it, especially when it is down for cutting. It's very nice. Let me get a little piece here and just it just cuts like butter. It's just, and it, you know, it's a good blade. It's a new blade. Then all you have to do when you want to score is flip that over. You can still close this, which is very nice. And then you can put your paper right against the edge that this blue piece here that we flipped over has a raised edge. Let me show this to you. See, it's got this nice raised edge to it, and then it's got these two pieces that fit down in the corresponding areas. And so now you can start scoring. I also like that this is not, in the old one it was more angled. This piece here was way more angled, and your paper could just float right up. This is a little more up and down. So your paper tends to push up and hold there instead of kind of sliding forward. So that was another thing I think that they greatly improved upon. The way that you can get your bone folder that they supply you with, it's much easier, because I would almost break fingernails trying to get it out sometimes. I'm going to flip this back to... They also have on the blue piece here, they've got inches up here, and they have the centimeters down here to, you know, continue with the inches here and the centimeters down here. So you can cut off of this side if you are cutting for centimeters, or you can cut off of this side if you're cutting for inches. Very, very nice. Okay, so the other thing that this does, of course, is it flips open. Now, they have changed the way that works. So once you get it flipped open all the way, you push these little tabs in. There's no wiggle now. It's absolutely no wiggle. And there's a lot less. There's still a little bit you know, and it might be that I'm not, there's a lot less give. I'm not banging on anything, you know, so yes, greatly improved this. You can, I flipped that, it's not on, but you know, you've got just a great way to score your paper, cut your paper. Oops. Okay, now that, okay, so on little things, this piece doesn't come up past the cut line. So if you have little things hanging, that's a little bit of a problem. But you know, that's one thing, I really don't ever use this for much like that. This is usually what I use when I'm creating new pages. I can look at a page and go, you know, if I were to score here and then score this way and then score here, if I cut that out, it will make this, you know, that's what I've loved about this. And then I could, you know, do my cuts that I needed to do using this, and having the, this is so easy to see, the black onto the teal, so easy to see. The centimeters here, though, there's no color to them. I wish they would have done the same thing here with this, but there's no color to them. And the numbers that are on the blue board, there's no color to them. It would have been better to have added that, but I am still very very happy with the changes they made. And I just wanted to let you guys know, you know, what I thought. And I got this from an Etsy shop. And this was my gift. And I'm like blown away with this gift. Now, I don't know if this is what she always gives. But, I mean, it's like, dang. Make me feel really bad with my gift. And I thought I was pretty good. So, this is owner and designer Susan, oh gosh, I hope I'm saying this right, Troiter. Troeter. And it's called Ada Valley Designs. Ada. It's Ada Valley Designs. ADAVALLEY Designs. And that's her Etsy shop. So let me see if I can get that. You can pause that and write that information down. And then look what she taped to the card. Isn't that cute? And then she's got her name on the back. That's so cute. But she sent me, okay, so here is 3 adorable little, I'm sure a fork type bow was cut for those. A very well, I think that's that 3D. I think all of this was the 3D layered butterflies, and then the papers here. And then I got a rabbit. How cute is that little die cut? Never seen that one, I don't think. I got a very nice piece of acetate. I got tickets. 9 tickets. And then I got some more. Let's see if you can see the pattern on there. 3 of these card size look at that one. Isn't that just scrumptious? I'm sure that's this 3D embossing that they have. I think Tim Holtz has it. But I mean, what a nice gift, huh? So anyway, I just thought I would share the love. This was just something I totally just bought on my own, and I didn't even contact her and let her know I was going to do any of this, but her little thank you, well, her big thank you note just made me decide that I needed to share, because that was just, I mean, that's a lot of time and effort right there, just in this, making the bows. I mean, maybe they were purchased preformed into a bow, I don't know. But 9 tickets, 3 embossed letter size, or, you know, card A2 size, or I think, let's see, what is this? This is, yeah, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Yeah, so, I mean, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool gift right there. And the bunny, I love the bunny, and then the butterfly is gorgeous. So, yeah. I'll use everything in there. So, thank you. Thank you very much, Susan. I appreciate it. I will send you a link so you can see this. And, guys, go and check out her shop. I was very pleased with the price I ended up paying for this. And it was shipped very quickly and in nice condition, the packaging and everything. So, yeah. Another fun thing. Talk to y'all later. Bye. See, we'll turn you off first.